The laser was assembled by Hal's team from Corad Lasers in Santa Monica, California. Santa Monica is celebrating its 250th anniversary in 2 days, August 3rd, as the establishment of a Spanish encampment 250 years ago. Corad Lasers, where Hal worked and where this particular equipment was brought to Santa Monica, we're also doing a big celebration down there. So what we're doing is presenting a sort of sister city color commemorative glass plaque to UC Santa Cruz and the Lick Observatories, which I'll open up right now. So let me just put this in my pocket. So this is one that looks very similar to the one that we're doing at Santa Monica, but of course this one says UC Santa Cruz. So Hal, if you would stand up for just a second, because thank you very much. Hal and I, on behalf of Southern California and the work being done at Corad Lasers, would like to present this plaque to you, Eleanor, to the UC Santa Cruz and Lick Observatories. And again, I won't read the whole thing because it's a little more wordy than even the bronze plaque, but you can all take a look at it. We actually have 2 copies of these, one that we'll provide here for Lick Observatory and one for UC Santa Cruz as well.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, great, fantastic. Thanks. That's for you.
I think it's important to add that the plaque itself generally will never include the name of people involved with what is being honored. It's neutral in that sense. It's honoring something as opposed to a person. Obviously, there's people behind it. But what this plaque does is it talks about the people who are actually involved in making this happen, including Professor Hal Walker. So he's included in here along with other people, and I believe Remington Stone is included in here as well.
Yeah. Well, I'll just read it. It's not that long, but at least we'll have it on recording. So you can actually says, presented 1st August 2019 to UC Santa Cruz Lick Observatory in commemoration of the Apollo 11 lunar laser ranging experiment. The first paragraph, very similar to this one, says, on 1st August 1969, the first accurate measurement of the distance between the Earth and the Moon was determined by firing a laser from Lick Observatory at retroreflectors placed on the lunar surface by Apollo 11 astronauts, then measuring the time delay for detection of the reflected beam. The gigawatt-powered crystal ruby laser was manufactured by Corad Lasers in Santa Monica, California. Then the second paragraph says, science and engineering teams from Lick Observatory and Corad Lasers were jointly responsible for the success of the lunar laser ranging experiment known as LUR. Planning began more than a year earlier with the Corad team led by Ted Maiman, the inventor of the laser, Bill Rundle, the designer, and Hildreth Hal Walker Jr., who installed, operated, and fired the laser from Lick Observatory in July and August of 1969. The team responsible for operating the telescope, precision targeting at the retroreflectors, and performing the electronic data collection and measurements was led by James Fowler and Irvin Weiner of Wesleyan University, and Lloyd Robinson, E. Joseph Wampler, and Donald Weber of Lick Observatory. Very good. That's for you.